Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
How's the prep for the exam?
I'm very nice.
All set, all clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubts people have? Rena, could you please do me a favor? Could you please
Yes.
send me the list of diagrams and maps which I made you write in the class?
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am, the one that you made us write in the worksheet, right?
Exactly, during the revision which I gave you.
Okay, ma'am.
Good evening, Pranav. Good evening, Sarthak. How's the prep? Good. All set for tomorrow? Good evening, children. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
How's the prep going on? I hope by now that you all would have done all your revision.
Yes, ma'am.
Please let me know if you have any doubts.
Ma'am, can you please tell the format of the paper?
The format of the paper would be exact, like more or less the same like it was in half yearly. Okay. Yes, yes, Schmidt.
Ma'am, can you explain the difference between saturated and unsaturated air?
Sure. Just give me a moment. I'm just sharing something in the group.
मेरी नाम से आशीष शर्मा हो, मेरे को पता है।
Now, beta, keep your mic off. Here, I've shared the list of diagrams and map once again in the group. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have one doubt from the chapter 6 devotional paths to divine.
I'll clear it out once in a second or third. Let me clear once Yashmit's doubt. Yashmit has asked the difference between saturated and unsaturated air. Saturated air means the air which holds a maximum amount of water vapor. Okay. So when the air has a maximum amount of water vapor, it can be like at a given temperature and pressure. Then it is said to call saturated. While unsaturated air can hold more water vapor. मतलब उसमें maximum नहीं होता है. अनसैचुरेटेड एयर में देयर स्कोप दैट अभी उसमें और वो एयर और वाटर होल्ड कर सकती है. जब एयर सैचुरेट हो जाती है तब उसकी कैपेसिटी बिल्कुल मैक्सिमम में पहुंच जाती है. दैट इज व्हाई इट लेड्स टू रेनफॉल. ठीक है.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ जी, अच्छा बताइए.
And now, from the chapter devotional paths to divine history,
बेटा.
yes, ma'am, just 1 minute.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ranvit.
Ma'am, may you tell the format of the paper?
I will just right now told you that the format of the paper will more or less be the same as it was in half yearly. There would be MCQs, there would be fill-ups, there would be one word, there would be 2 marks question, 3 marks question, right? And then you would be
Ma'am,
diagrams and
there will be one diagram and one map, no?
what?
There will be one diagram and one
Yeah,
map,
yeah.
no?
No, diagrams could be more than one.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Bachche.
Ma'am, in chapter 3rd of History, Delhi Sultans, the table given on page number 28 and 29, ma'am, this table of the rulers of Delhi will come in the exam.
This is important. MCQs are there from the table. Even in the textbook it is given. And in the revision test also.
Okay, ma'am.
Hanji, just Karan.
Ma'am, is ma'am case study coming in exam?
Case studies aren't coming there as such. Yes,
Okay.
Soumya.
I was going to ask the same questions as the
Okay.
discussion asked.
Yes, Pranav.
Ma'am, can you tell another example of local winds?
Another example of local winds. Would anyone of the group like to tell me? Like anyone from the meeting? Would somebody like to give me an example of local winds?
Ma'am, Lou.
Lou and और बताइए और example.
Ma'am, case study will come in exam.
No. बताओ बेटा, would anybody
Ma'am,
tell me?
ma'am, Chinook.
गूगल करके बता रहे हो अक्षर.
Ma'am, आंधी.
आंधी. आंधी को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Ma'am, breeze.
Storm.
Cyclone.
Ma'am, hailstorm.
Ma'am, blizzard?
Chinook is also an example of local wind which Akshay is there, which is correct, right?
Ma'am, blizzard.
Hanji.
Ma'am, blizzard.
Ma'am, east wind.
Easterly से हमारी वो होगी ना बेटा? Planetary wind. Hanji. Manas.
Ma'am, will there will be a choice in diagram and question answers?
Yes, I'll try to give you choices at the places I could have given. So there are choices in the question answers and the diagrams as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, excuse me, can give reasons also come?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Hanji.
How many maps will come?
One map would come, but the map would have around 5 questions. Like, it's
Excuse
similar
me,
to the
ma'am.
way it has come in half yearly or in class 6 as well, finals. The format remains like that only, no? Yes, Panchal.
On the page number 89, assertion question number 11. We have remarked D, but rate of evaporation is also very high.
Beta, Panchal, thoda read little slow.
Page number 89.
Read the question.
Page number 69. Page number 69. Sorry.
Read out
Its
the question.
assertion is the rate of evaporation is very high in June and July, and the reason is the rate of evaporation is more when the temperature is high. So it should be A.
Yes.
Madam, we have marked D that A is wrong, R is correct.
Could you please tell me the answer question again?
Assertion is the rate of evaporation is very high in June and July. And the reason given to that is the rate of evaporation is more when the temperature is high. It should be A because both are correct and it's the correct answer.
Ma'am, it can be because of rainy season.
The answer is
Yes,
both
ma'am.
A and R are true. When 7B we have marked this only. Then
Exactly. I
A
think
option.
the answer is A only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, I want to ask that underline order the execution of Arjun Dev Ji,
What?
which is given at page number 71 history.
Tell me the question, sir.
Underline ordered the execution of Guru Arjun Dev Ji, and the options are A. Jahangir, B. Akbar, C. Babar, and D. Hemu.
Okay, answer.
Ma'am,
What is your doubt in this question?
Ma'am, I want to just ask the answer because
Jahangir is the
that
answer,
is
beta.
what?
Jahangir.
Okay.
Hanji. Jaskaran, run with Manas. Any other doubts? You have raised your hands.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Manas.
Ma'am, can you tell the types of rainfall? Ma'am, convection, relief, and
Okay. Would anyone
cyclone.
from the class would like to explain the 3 types of rainfall? Who would like to explain relief rainfall? Raise your hands for that. Who would explain relief rainfall for us?
Ma'am, I can explain.
Yes, Panchal.
Now, relief rainfall is a type of rainfall when a rain-bearing wind comes in. When a mountain range comes in path of a rain-bearing wind, and because of the slope of the mountain, the wind is forced to rise up. So when the wind rises up, it cools beyond the dew point, and it's condensed, and cloud is formed, and that the rainfall that takes by this method is called orographic or relief rainfall.
Exactly. देखो relief rainfall में क्या होता है? When the winds are moving and the mountains or any higher plant comes in the way, right? Then the winds descend as per the height of that structure, right? And as we know, the higher we go, the temperature decreases. Because of which, right, because of which the winds reach their saturation point and they starts pouring down, the cloud starts pouring down even before crossing that. Okay, that is why the side of the mountain which receives rainfall is known as the windward side, and the other side is also called rain shadow area or the leeward side. Okay. The next one is इसे हम relief rainfall भी कहते हैं और orographic rainfall भी कहते हैं. The next type of rainfall is convectional rainfall, right? So it occurs when the sun heats the ground, right? जिसकी वजह से जब ground heat up होता है उसके ऊपर की air भी heat up होती है, and this creates convection currents. The next we have is cyclonic rainfall. It occurs when the cold air meets the warmer air. ठीक है? And then cyclones of the low pressure areas are created. ठीक?
Okay, ma'am.
Any other doubt, anyone?
Ma'am, please
Ma'am,
explain
I
cyclonic
have doubt.
rainfall again.
Yes. Who has a doubt?
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, that
Yes, Yashmit.
ma'am for
बोलो अथर्व पहले आप बोलो.
ma'am for convectional rainfall, can we write this definition or the description of water cycle because it is same as water cycle process only?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
Yes, Yashmit.
I was asking that will information regarding Rokia, Shekhawat, Hussain, and cyclones, tsunami can come?
Formation of Rokia Shekhawat, is it?
Like there were huge paragraphs about.
Ma'am, there is a pink box in the chapter about
No, the pink
Rokia
boxes.
Shekhawat and K. Ramabai.
No, the pink boxes won't come.
Okay, ma'am.
And ma'am, about tsunamis and cyclones.
No.
And excuse me, ma'am,
Yes,
if the K. Ramabai thing is in the notebook, it come?
What?
Ma'am, like there is a pink box now about K. Ramabai, so it is also written in the notebook. So can it come?
If whatever you have done in a notebook, that you have to do only. That will come only. The other pink
Ma'am, there are
boxes-
questions regarding the pink box.
No, but we haven't done all the questions regarding the pink boxes. The ones which we have
Yes,
done,
ma'am.
them you have to do. The ones which we haven't done, those you can skip.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Yes,
you, ma'am.
Bhaskaran, you had asked something. Convectional or cyclonic?
Cyclonic rainfall once again.
Okay. Right. So as we know, what happens in cyclonic rainfall is the warm air, right, meets the dry air, जिसकी वजह से cyclones form होते हैं. Okay. उस एरिया में जहाँ पे ये वार्म और कोल्ड एयर मीट करते हैं, एक लो प्रेशर एरिया क्रिएट होता है, इसकी वजह से साइक्लोन्स फॉल होते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट वी कॉल साइक्लोनिक रेन. ठीक है.
Okay.
So, ma'am, in this type of rainfall, do rain also take place?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please explain how?
What? It is as simple as because
Then,
of low pressure area which has been created.
okay.
जब वाटर वेपर जो होता है कंडेंस होता है राइजिंग एयर की तरफ से, उसकी वजह से रेनफॉल होती है, राइट, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द लो प्रेशर सिस्टम और जिस टाइप की वार्म और एयर मॉइस्ट लाइक एयर मासेस होंगे वहां पे. हाँ जी, एनीवन एल्स? वानी, भव्य, Farhan, any doubts?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Ashutosh.
Ma'am, I want to ask that the table given on 20 history page number 28 and 29 will come about that Rajput dynasties and early Turkish dynasties.
No.
It will not come.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, any date in match the following?
What?
Ma'am, any date in match the following?
They may come.
Okay, ma'am.
और बताइए. अभी इरहान और क्लियर है? नो डाउट्स? Renata, Tanishka, Molly, all clear?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, in page number 80, when geography, when give reason for the following, when there is a question, Dead Sea is highly saline. So, ma'am, what is the answer for the?
Could you please repeat the question, Mita?
When the question is, ma'am, from give reasons, Dead Sea is highly saline. So, ma'am, what is the reason?
Okay. Could anyone give me the answer of this thing? Why is Dead Sea?
Ma'am, you have made it. Ma'am, you have made it cut in 7 inches.
Exactly. But do you know? Does anyone know the answer? देखो वैसे हम लोग ने क्वेश्चन करा नहीं है. We have cut the question because it's not from a chapter. But the reason why this is because जो डेड सी है ये एक क्लोज लेक है. ठीक, मतलब इसका जो पानी है, ठीक है, वो बाहर नहीं जा सकता. इट इट लीव्स आउट ओनली थ्रू इवेपोरेशन, राइट. एंड आपको पता है जब इवेपोरेशन होता है तो क्या होता है, पानी तो ऊपर चला जाता है एंड व्हाट इट लीव्स बिहाइंड, सॉल्ट्स एंड मिनरल्स. समझ?
Ma'am, residue.
रेसिड्यू. उस सॉल्ट एंड सैलिनिटी का मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ सैलिनिटी?
Ma'am, the amount of salt.
Amount of salt.
Amount of salt present in any water body.
एग्जैक्टली, क्योंकि डेड सी क्लोज लेक है तो उसका पानी बाहर तो कहीं जाएगा नहीं, जो सॉल्ट है वो भी उसी उसी लेक में ही रहेगा. इसकी वजह से बहुत ज्यादा सलाइन होता है. इसी वजह से, इतनी सैलिनिटी की वजह से यहाँ पे कोई डेड सी में कोई लाइफ भी नहीं होती है. मतलब इट्स वेरी, यू कैन फाइंड ओनली सम फॉर्म ऑफ बैक्टीरिया, फंगाई देयर, बट नो अदर एनिमल्स. Yes, Third Gupta, you have any another doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, Dalal.
Yes, Bhakti.
Sir, who are Dalal?
Who are
Dalal.
the Lals? Can anyone from you explain what dalals?
Ma'am, they are basically the intermediators who help a farmer to sell their product, or if somebody who wants to buy the product, they take to the person who was selling that particular product.
Exactly. इनको हम दलाल्स को इंग्लिश में brokers कहते हैं, ठीक है? For example, you have started a business and you wanted to sell your material outside the Bareilly, ठीक है? आपको से दिल्ली वगैरह में जाके sell out करना है, but you can't go out there. So what you do is you would contact some brokers, right? Who would go out there and sell your product to the traders. जैसे आप देखो जो लोग घर देख खरीदने जाते हैं, so they या फिर either they go to buy a house or rent a house, they don't directly meet the owners of the house, they meet brokers, right? जो उन घरों में आपको ले जाते के वो घर दिखाते हैं, ठीक है? उनको ही दलाल, and for that they earn a commission, ठीक है?
Okay, ma'am.
So ma'am, so these dalal get different types of commission for different types of product.
Exactly.
Ma'am, means how percent from the
It depends.
money
It
they
depends
get.
upon the understanding of the of the producer and the broker. It depends upon what percentage they have set. वो अपनी मर्जी से set कर सकते हैं कितना percent set करना है. Mostly it is 10, 20, 30%, not more than that.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, on the page number 88 and 89 geography, do we have to learn the life on stilts and not?
No.
And ma'am, do you know?
कल MCQs में आ सकता है, one word में आ सकता है.
गाइस फर्क गाइस फर्क देख रहे हो तुम लोग? फर्क देखिए.
और बताओ बच्चों, if you have any more doubts.
Ma'am, can you explain regulated market?
Yes, regulated market. Can anyone from you would like to explain? Would anyone?
May I, ma'am?
Yes, Arav.
Started under a law.
Yes, Arav.
Ma'am, regulated. Ma'am, I have to tell about regulated market, right?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, regulated market is a market that is set up by a community for a group of people, and it ensures equality in the market as both the producer and the customer know the maximum retail price.
ठीक है. यहाँ पे जो गवर्नमेंट होती है इंश्योर करती है कि इन मार्केट्स में फेयर प्रैक्टिस का इस्तेमाल हो, राइट? ऐसा नहीं हो कि जो जगह जो मर्जी आ रही है उतने में बेच रहा है, क्या कर रहा है क्या नहीं कर रहा है, राइट? So regulated market is one where the government have the power to ensure that fair trade practices are being used and कोई भी unfair dealings नहीं हो रही हैं, ठीक है? इसके examples क्या हो सकते हैं, कोई बता सकते हैं? Can somebody give me the example of a regulated market?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, for example, Smart Point.
Smart point is not a type of a market. Smart point,
Ma'am, it is a small complex.
yeah, it's a complex.
And we can say that Mandi in Model Town.
मंडी, ठीक है ना बात, ठीक है तुम्हारा. इसका मतलब his point is correct there as well. Even in the smart point, they can't sell the things at the prices they want, right? They're like in such, for such things the government has set up MRP that you have to sell the products at this only. And then again, if you can see it, the stock market is also an example. ठीक, that is
Ma'am,
also
provision
regulated
stores.
market. Provision,
Ma'am, provision store keeps market.
yeah. जी, any other doubt?
Ma'am, I have written one definition for cyclonic rainfall. Can you please tell it is right or not? I can tell it right in front of you.
Tell me.
When cold air meets warm air, it forms cyclone, and this air becomes saturated and rises up. In the upper strata of the atmosphere, this air gets condensed and causes a rainfall. This rainfall is associated with cyclone, thus it is called cyclonic rainfall.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So there would be मैंने आपको format वैसे ही बता ही दिया है. So there would be 10 fill-ups. I think I haven't given you MCQs many this time. There would be 10 fill-ups. There would be true, false, right? There would be name the following. Then there would be very short answer type question, short answer type question. That would be of very short answer type question would be of 2 marks. Short answer type question would be of 3 marks. And long answer type question would be of 4 marks each. ठीक है?
मैम लॉन्ग आंसर में भी चॉइसेस होंगे.
लॉन्ग आंसर में choices नहीं है.
ओके मैम.
मैम ऐसे
मैम
भी आ
मैं
सकता है
मैम excuse me.
Yes, Bhavya.
Ma'am, can you tell that on the page number 69 of history in chapter 6, ma'am, there is a table classroom extension Sikh Gurus. So, ma'am, it is a chronological order of Sikh Gurus. So, it
That
will
won't.
come in exam.
No. That you can skip.
मैम कैन इन
Excuse me,
एग्जाम
ma'am.
G. Yes,
Ma'am,
Manas.
look here.
Just be quiet for a minute. Yes, Manas.
मैम कैन इन एग्जाम मैम आंसर इन 50 to 100 words मैम कैन लाइक दिस क्वेश्चन कम मैम मैम मींस
The very short answer type questions, it is like that. It's a very short answer type question that you have to answer in 50 to 60 words. The short answer type questions you have to answer in 80 to 100 words. The long answer type questions you have to answer in 100 to 150 words. तो आपको पता ही है.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the table page on the page number 69 history, it is written Guru Granth Sahib. And do it was a guru or it is just the holy book of Sikhs?
Beta, it is the holy book. ग्रंथ का मतलब क्या होता है?
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pranav.
ma'am, on the page number 65 history, do we have to learn the tomb of Father Moinuddin Chishti, pink box?
Please repeat yourself, Pranav.
Ma'am, on the page number 65 history, do we have to learn the tomb of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, Ajmer, Rajasthan?
Do we have to do what?
Ma'am, pink box.
No, you can skip the pink box.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, these boxes given in the book of history, all these always come or?
But just now I have told you that you don't have to do all the boxes. You only have to do the ones we have done in the class. That's it.
Study will come.
No, bachcho.
Ma'am, the flow chart of Ekta system will come in exam.
No flowcharts I haven't done. Yes, beta, any other doubts?
Ma'am, do we have to do the pink box on page number 75 of history?
Arav, what did I tell you just now? That only the ones which we have done, except that you don't have to do any other pink boxes.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, do flowcharts will come?
No, बच्चे.
Okay, ma'am.
Go through all the revision sheets we have done now. For the one words and MC, right? For the fill-ups, you can go through all them.
Ma'am,
Yes, Soumya.
ma'am, what is the difference between Subedars and Mansabdars?
Okay. So, can anyone tell us the difference between Subedar and Mansabdars? Okay. जहाँ पे हमारे यहाँ मनसबदार इज द होल्डर ऑफ अ मनसब, मतलब समय रैंक, ठीक है, एंड जिसमें उसको सिविल ड्यूटी से मिलती थी और मिलिट्री ड्यूटी से मिलती थी। वेयर सूबेदार जो था, he was the governor of a province, right, and he had a higher ranking than the मनसबदार, ठीक है। सूबेदार की जो रैंक होती थी वो मनसबदार से थोड़ी ज्यादा होती थी, ठीक। मनसबदार की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी कि उसे कोई मिलिट्री पोस्ट जा सकती है, राइट, एंड ही वाज लायबल टू गेट ट्रांसफर बिटवीन द सिविल एंड द मिलिट्री पोस्ट। बट जो हमारा सूबेदार होता था, सूबेदार का काम था कि जो भी प्रोविंस से रखा है उसको सूबे का, उस प्रोविंस का एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देखना, वहाँ का रेवेन्यू कलेक्शन, वहाँ का लॉ एंड ऑर्डर, वहाँ के मिलिट्री मैटर्स, उसको सब कुछ देखना पड़ता था, राइट। दैट इज सूबेदार यूज्ड टू बी हायर देन द मनसबदार। Okay.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
Subedar is almost like a governor.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, what was Jagidari system?
Jagirdari system. See, in the Jagirdari system, do you know the meaning of Jagir? Pranav?
No.
See, Jagirs refers to pieces of lands, right? Under this system, rulers granted land or Jagirs to nobles and officials. इनको वो जागीरदार कहते हैं, in place of salary. सैलरी की जगह क्या मिलता था, जागीरदार से कहा जाता था कि भाई आपको ये लैंड दे रखा है, यू विल कलेक्ट द रेवेन्यू फॉर दिस लैंड एंड यू विल मेंटेन लॉ एंड ऑर्डर इन द स्टेट, ठीक है। इससे क्या था, उन्हें राइट, उनको इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग देम सैलरी इन कैश, वो उनको लैंड रेवेन्यू साइन कर देते कि चलो इस एरिया का इतना रेवेन्यू तुम ही कलेक्ट करो, ठीक। इसका पर्पस ये होता था कि भाई इससे उनकी पावर सेंट्रलाइज हो जाती थी, बिकॉज जागीरदार्स वर एक्सपेक्टेड टू प्रोवाइड सोल्जर्स फॉर द आर्मी व्हेन नीडेड। जागीरदार से भी कहा जाता है कि आप इस एरिया से रेवेन्यू भी कलेक्ट करोगे और जब हमें रिक्वायर्ड होगा तो आप हमें मिलिट्री प्रोवाइड करो, ठीक है। Okay, Pranav?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you people tell me the difference between Jagirdar and Zamindars? जमींदार और जागीरदार में क्या डिफरेंस होता है? Can anyone tell me difference between जागीरदार and जमींदार? क्या ये दोनों सेम है या अलग अलग है? देखो जागीरदार को लैंड तो मिलता था, बट उसे लैंड के साथ साथ वहां के रेवेन्यू और पॉलिटिकल ड्यूटीज भी मिलती थी, वो भी सब कलेक्ट देखना पड़ता था उसमें। बट जमींदार के पास क्या होता है, उसके पास सिर्फ लैंड की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, बाकी कोई पॉलिटिकल मिलिट्री रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसके पास नहीं होती। ठीक है। Clear? प्रणव?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.